Now that we're done shoveling what we have to, let's take a walk through. This is just about at my head level. This is absolutely ridiculous. We live in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, not Alaska. Shoveled over to the bird feeder. Snowbanks are above my head, right here. That's over to the bird feeder. All of it is at least up to my waist, actually more like up to my stomach. Yeah. All of this that you're seeing is up to my stomach, except for that part right there that they're going to have to snowball again. Absolutely ridiculous. That stuff's all above my head. It's gotta be at least 6'5". Yeah. Yeah.